At Plantae Labs, we directly address global challenges: antibiotic overuse, harmful pesticides, and the escalation of greenhouse gases. Employing advanced extraction and formulation techniques, we harness the remarkable properties of natural extracts, including Quillaja Saponaria. Our methods enhance animal and plant health, furthering sustainable agricultural practices without damaging our planet. Globally recognized, our products offer effective alternatives to replace harmful chemicals. In our cutting-edge facility, we annually produce tons of botanical extracts, driving forward sustainable innovation. Join us in nurturing a better future. Plantae Labs, where nature meets science.